Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Zelle with your bank account in 2026.
If you want to set up Zelle with your bank account in 2026, here's how to do it step by step. First, open your bank's mobile app or online banking. Most major banks in the US already have Zelle built in, so you don't need a separate app. Log into your account, then look for Send Money with Zelle or just Zelle in the menu. Tap it, then select Get Started or Enroll. Next, choose the email address or US mobile number you want to link to Zelle. This is what you use to send and receive money. After that, confirm your details and accept the terms. Your bank may send a verification code to your phone or email. Enter it to finish setup. Once you're enrolled, you can immediately start sending money by selecting a contact, entering the amount, and hitting send. The money usually moves within minutes if both banks support Zelle.